Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to see logs, that is errors, in SmartComm PMS. To see the logs, navigate to the folder where you have installed the SmartComm PMS software, under the path, iVisionMax, Logs. In this log folder various subfolders are created like LTIDE, LTViewer and many more. For example, I want to see log under LTIDE. I will open that LTIDE folder. One file is created every day to address all the logs related to IDE in that day. Latest log file will be available on the top. It is preferred to open the log file with Notepad or Notepad++ for real-time update of logs. All error will be mentioned in this file along with date and time. Latest one will appear at last. That's all about log folder. Now we'll see another way to view log file. To view a log file, navigate to the Process Manager. Open the Load tab and select Load Log File. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+L to quickly access the log file.
Thank you for watching.